Was absolutely amazing. They would not stop talking about it for the rest of the day.
When I'm drumming, I feel like I can express my feelings without, having to explain.
They loved it. You could hear them around the school just repeating the beats and rhythms as they were walking around, like it sort of was infectious. Lots of students came out of their shell.
They've been really engaged. They've learnt what it's like to be really immersed into something that is occupying their whole attention.
Drumming like this really regulates the nervous system and allows a lot of natural release of stress and tension.
It helps you relax. When you just you're just lying on your bed and you've been very stressed out. I just remember the rhythms and I suddenly feel relaxed.
They get their creativity out, and then when they've come back into the classroom, they're like focused and ready.
Drumming made me feel like I had stronger friendships. It makes me relax and it gives me more confidence.
I think the drumming is a fantastic program because it's so inclusive. When I was at school, we didn't have anything available like this. That is exciting and dynamic and encourages the students, whether they're from a musical background or not, to participate in a musical program.
Come back in rhythm.
Great, we've just finished the 10-week course. It's been amazing. If you'd like us to come to your school and show you the therapeutic benefits of an ongoing program with your students, please get in touch.